This house in Berlin is more than just a renovation. It's an architectural dialogue between the past and the present. Originally a coach house, the structure had been transformed several times since World War II, accumulating layers of construction from the 1960s and 1980s. Rather than demolishing it, J. Mayer H. Architects chose to embrace these layers as part of the building's identity. The renovation preserves much of the existing envelope and organizes the interior around a split-level concept. This multi-level arrangement responds to the irregularities created by decades of piecemeal additions and structural shifts, turning them into a spatial feature rather than a flaw. Inside, a restrained material palette highlights the original components: blackened steel handrails, restored wooden doors, textured wall finishes, and mid-century ceramic tiles. Lighting fixtures and switches have been preserved or replicated to match their historical counterparts. These materials are combined with modern sculptural furniture, including Ubald plugs, terrazza sofa, and Driad's roly-poly chair, creating a contrast between old and new. The garden plays a significant role in the overall atmosphere. Rather than a manicured lawn, the outdoor area is intentionally left wild, a habitat for birds, foxes, and native plants. Art installations like Tony Mattelli's sculptures introduce another layer of meaning to the natural surroundings, blending architecture, ecology, and art. This project shows how thoughtful renovation can respect the past while enabling contemporary living. It's not just about preserving history, but about building upon it, turning existing constraints into design opportunities, and creating a deeply contextual, livable space.